So welcome back to the next part of this module. Without audience, email marketing has no meaning. We must have a list of subscribers to whom we want to send our promotional mails. So the very first task in the email marketing is to create the audience list. So let us see how to create the audience list in MailChimp. Log into MailChimp. Sometimes it asks for account verification. You may verify your account by SMS or by enabling the security questions, or you can do it later. This is the interface where we have left last time. To create and view the audience, go to Audience. The name of our audience is DMOOC and it has one contact. But we have not added anyone. Who's this? Let us see. View contacts. Oh, this is me only. Let us delete it and create our audience from scratch. Remove the contact. Delete permanently by typing permanently delete. Confirm. One contact is successfully deleted. Now we don't have any subscriber in the list. Now let us start adding contact to the list. There are two methods of adding subscribers. One is manual and another is importing. Let us first add contact manually. Click Add Subscriber. Fill all details of subscribers starting from email, first name, last name, address, phone number, birthday, and tag. Tags are nothing, they are used if you want to label anything to the contact for your reference, like what is the source of contact. Use this plus sign to add the tag. Check, the person gave me permission to email. If a person is already in the list and you want to update it, click Update. And subscribe. Congratulations, we have added our first subscriber. Let us view it. Yes, he is there with all the details. You can see by default there are many headers like first name, last name, address, phone number. You can toggle the headings like I don't want this address. Just uncheck it, save it, see address has gone. The manual method is okay when we have just few contacts. But it may become a terrible job when large number of mail IDs are to be entered. If your mail data is stored in a file, then import contact is a good to work with. To use this method, click Import Contacts. There are three different ways to import the contacts: importing CSV file, copy-paste file, and integrated services. Let us start with the first one. CSV or tab delimited text file. Click Continue to set up. Here we have to upload the CSV file only. If you have Excel file containing email data, first convert it to the CSV file. Open the file. It has 4 columns: first name, last name, email, and mobile number. To convert it to CSV, go to Save As and select Excel Workbook. From Save As, click drop down and select CSV, delimited and save OK. Yes. See, a new CSV file has been created. Go back to MailChimp. Upload the file here. Click Browse. Select CSV file that you have just created and open. Contacts are uploaded. Continue to match. What does it mean? Actually, to maintain the uniformity, MailChimp has default column headings like first name, last name, phone number, etc. But in our file, we have given different headings, so matching is important. Here you can see out of 4 columns, 3 are mismatched. Let us match them. In our file, its name. With which default heading of MailChimp it will match? Click Edit and make a selection out of available option. This is first name. Second column is the last name. In our file, no heading was given. Let us select a suitable heading from Edit. Select last name and save. Email is automatically matched. No need to do anything with this one. Mobile number is mismatched. Follow the same process to match it and save. Now everything is matched. Continue to organize. If you want to add tag, you can use this plus sign, type tag and select it. Tag is added. You may change the status of contact. Let it be subscribed only. Want to update the existing contact? Check this box. Continue to review. If everything is okay, click import. Wow! 9 contacts are successfully added. And there is detail of all the contacts with all the columns that we matched. Now tags are also visible. Now let us see how to add contacts using copy paste function. From add contacts, click import contacts, select copy paste from file. This is a place where you have to paste the contact list of subscribers. Open the Excel file. It need not to be CSV file. Copy all the contacts including column headings and paste it here. Check the box. Again we have to match the column headings. Click continue. There are 3 mismatched columns. Only email is properly matched. Follow the same process of matching. All columns are matched. Continue to organize. Add tag here to give the identification to these contacts. You may leave it blank as well. Check this box if want to update the existing contacts. Continue to review. You all are set to import. Click import. All 12 contacts are added. In total, now we have 22 contacts in the list, including the copied one. Great. Let us remove the birthday column. Go to toggle column, uncheck and save it. That column is gone. You can see the audience matrix at any time by going to the audience dashboard, like growth in contacts, tags, from where the contacts come, and so many other things. We will talk about rest of the features in a while. So this was the process to create the audience list. To learn all the steps properly, just create the audience list at your own by adding the subscriber to it by using various methods such as manual, copy paste and importing the CSV file. So let us proceed further.